The volume of Ganga increases markedly as it receives more tributaries. Welcome to my channel Globe Time. Today in this video I am discussing the major tributaries of the river Ganga. Although many small streams comprise the headwaters of the river Ganges, the six largest rivers are Alokananda, Dhauliganga, Nandikini, Pindar, Mandakini and Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi originates from Gangotri Glacier near Gomukh Cave and Alkananda originates from Shatapant Glacier. The major tributaries of Alkananda rivers Dhauliganga. Dhauliganga originates from Devohimani near Nitipas at an elevation of 5079 meter. The total length of Dhauliganga is 94 km. Dhauliganga march Alkananda river near Vishnuprayag or Joshimath. Nandikini river originates from Nandaghuti glacier and total length of Nandikini is 56 km and near Nandiprayag, Nandikini merge with Alkananda river. Pindar river originates from Pindari glacier at an elevation of 3820 meter. The length of Pindar is 105 km. These are left side tributaries of Alkananda river and right side tributary of Alkananda river is Mandakini. Mandakini originates from Chorabari glacier and total length of Mandakini is 70 km and total length of Bhagirathi is 205 km. Bhagirathi march Alkananda river near Devoprayag. And middle course river Ganga receives numerous tributaries in its middle course. The tributaries are Ramganga, Yamuna, Tamas or Tons and Gomati. And Ghagar, Son, Gondok, Koshi and Mahananda, last tributaries of middle course. Ramganga. First tributary of Ganga is Ramganga river. Comparatively, it is a small river. And Ramganga originates from Garhwal Hills near Garshan. Join Ganga near Kanauj. The average discharge of Ramganga river is 495 cube meter per second. Gomati originates from Gomottal, UP and joins with Ganga near Saidpur. The total length of Gomati river is 475 km. Ghagar river. Ghaggar River originates from Pangchu Glacier and it joins with Ganga near Chhappar in Bihar. The main tributaries of Ghaggar are Tila, Seti, Beri and Sharda. Sharda River originates from Milam glaciers and in Nepal it is called Kali or Chak, where it is joined with the Ghaggar River. The average discharge of Ghaggar River is 2991 cube meter per second. Ghaggar is largest tributaries of Ganga. Largest tributary of Ganga. River Gandok. Gandok comprise two streams, namely Kali Gandok and Trishuli Ganga. Kali Gandok and Trishuli Ganga. It rises Nepal Himalaya between Dhauli Ganga and Mount Everest. Gandok joins Ganga near Sonpur, Bihar. Sonpur near Patna, Bihar. Gandok River. The average discharge of Gandok River is Koshi. River Koshi. Also called Sorrow of Bihar. It is an antecedent river. Koshi consists 7 streams, namely Sat, Tamba, Talka, Dut, Boita, Orun and Tambar. It soars to the North Mount Everest in Tibet. 7 streams merge with each other to form the 3 main streams, namely Orun, Tambar or Tamar and Sonkoshi. They united at Triveni north of Mahabharat Lake. And Koshi joins with Ganga near Karshela in Bihar. Koshi River. The average discharge of rivers is 2166 cube meter per second. River Mahananda. Last tributaries of middle course. Mahananda originates from Darjeeling Hills and joins with Ganga in West Bengal. These are left bank tributaries of Ganga river. River Yamuna, longest river of Ganga tributary. Yamuna originates from Yamunotri Glacier, Bandarpanch Peak at an elevation of 6,000 meters. Total length of Yamuna is 1,376 km. Yamuna river joins with Ganga near Prayag. The average discharge of Yamuna river is 2,948 cube meter per second. The right bank tributaries of Yamuna river is Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Ken. Right bank tributaries of Yamuna river originates from peninsular plateau, and left bank tributaries is Hindan, Rhine, Singar and Voduna. Chambal river originates from Maha plateau near Kaimur range and flows northward through a gorge and finally joins the Yamuna river. Chambal river is famous for badland topography, is called Chambal ravines. Betwa river, Sindh river, and one of the important tributaries of Chambal river is Banas river. River Tamos or Tons originate from Tamakundo, Kaimur range at an elevation of 660 meters in MP and joins near Prayagraj in UP. Total length of river is 264 km and average discharge of river is 187 cube meter per second. The tributaries of Tamos are Belha, Mohana, Bihar, etc. River Son originates from Amarkantak Plateau and join Bihar. The length of river is 784 km and average discharge of river is 1008 cube meter per second. Lower course tributaries are River Ajoy, River Damodar, River Rupnarayan, River Holdi and River Rushulpur. River Damodar originates from Khamarpat Pahar. Khamarpat Pahar eastern margins of Chotanagpur Plateau. It flows through a rift valley and finally joins Hooghly River. Damodar Valley is called the Rar of India, and other name of Damodar is Sorrow of Bengal. Main tributaries are Barakar, Konar, Bokaro, etc. The total length of Damodar River is 541 km. And left bank tributaries of Ganga in lower course is Jolongi and Churni. Today I am finishing here. Thank you watching my video.